Think about what kind of geopathic stress is affecting you. Start with specific questions about the type of stress you are under. Is there a stream flowing under your home? Or are there earth lines crossing to create an overpowering disturbance in your dining room? Try to be specific, as it may affect what solution you take. Use a dowsing wand. Dowsing is thought to be a way to discover subterranean water, minerals, or other objects. The idea is to take a device like a wand, pendulum, or V-shaped rod and hold it in front of you. The wand points to the ground when you are standing over water or your desired object. While dowsing has no scientific basis, some people feel strongly that the attraction of the wand to the ground is a result of electromagnetic energy. Try dowsing yourself or bringing in a practitioner to help you discover the sources of your energy disturbance. Use a compass. Some people feel that compasses are also effective at locating electromagnetic disturbances. To use one, hold it in your hand and turn until the needle is pointing due north. Then, move the compass over the suspected disturbance point. The needle will alert you of any energy distortions by wavering back and forth. Watch the behavior of pets or other animals. The 19th century German geomancer Baron Gustav von Pol made a startling discovery. Cats, dogs, insects, and other animals are naturally attracted to areas of earth resonance. One of the simplest indicators of a geopathic stress zone is to be found in the behavior of animals. Look for signs around you. Rearrange your living space. You may be unknowingly exposing yourself to geopathic stress. There may be a disturbance underneath your bed, your dining room table, your bathtub, or your favorite chair. If you have identified a potential trouble spot, rearrange your furniture to avoid spending too much time over or near the point. Use Feng Shui to enhance your rearranging. The traditional Chinese art of Feng Shui studies the interaction of humans with their environment. Taken further, Feng Shui can allow you to influence these interacting energies to improve your life. Find out more about its principles and apply them to your living space. Set up metal rods. A popular and simple method is to place metal rods at strategic points in your home or anywhere you suspect a geopathic disturbance in order to block or neutralize the distorted flow of energy. These points should be verified by dowsing. To make the method work, you'll also have to know the flow of the earth lines. Create a cork barrier. Some people think that oak trees mysteriously developed a natural resistance to geopathic stress. In particular, the bark of the cork oak is believed to be effective as a barrier. Try placing cork tiles under your affected bed, for example, to absorb the geopathic chaos. You should be able to do this on your own. Invest in a New Age crystal. Buy a new crystal to shield yourself. Some people feel strongly about the healing and protective qualities of crystals, which they say protect you from geopathic stresses but also, through energy resonances in your own body and negative ions, can stimulate your immune system and change toxic energies into beneficial ones. Get rid of other sources of electromagnetic pollution. The world is filled with sources of electromagnetic pollution that can magnify geopathic stress. High-tension power lines, satellite towers, electric poles, or circuit breakers all send out high and low-frequency energy that may increase geopathic stress, as can everyday items like microwaves, cell phones, and wireless routers. Minimize your exposure to such devices.